Are you looking for an effective and sustainable way to lose weight? Look no further than yoga. In this video, we will explore how yoga can be a powerful tool in your weight loss journey, helping you shed those extra pounds while nurturing your mind and body. Unlike intense cardio workouts or restrictive diets, yoga offers a holistic approach to weight loss. It not only helps you burn calories but also reduces stress and emotional eating, boosts metabolism, improves digestion, and increases body awareness. In this video, we will guide you through a dynamic yoga sequence that combines flowing movements, strength-building postures, and targeted exercises to stimulate fat burning and build lean muscle mass. We will also include poses that focus on toning specific areas like the core, arms, and legs. But yoga is not just about physical exercise. It's a mind-body practice. We will explore the mindfulness aspect of yoga, which can support you in making healthier choices, cultivating self,